In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can update product variance pricing on a price list. Basically, you've created the variance, but now what you want to do is change their values within the system. So effectively, we're going to show you how you can do that within this video, but you need to change this unit price here for whatever the price tier here is. We're going to cover price tiers later. So the first thing is we go here, we've got a price of £10 on our variance for a product. So we navigate, if we look at our process, we're going to select the parent, we're going to edit the product prices themselves. I'm going to show you how to do that. You can change price tiers, but we'll cover that in the next video. And equally, you can change these prices here, standard price, price amount, to match, but what drives it is the change of this unit price here within the system. So we'll just show you that. So we want to update our prices to £12 for these two variants that we've created. So we navigate to the pricing tab. You can see these actions. You can view what's there. So if I view, you can see, what we've got in our various setup for this particular variant. We've got, so what we're going to do is we're going to edit, which is this pencil here, and we're just going to change the price tier 1 to 12, and we'll see that change here too. So all we're doing is editing the line. We're just changing the price to the one that we want. We could change this to another quantity if you were using minimum order quantities and the like. Just for sort of visual stuff, it doesn't matter if you change this or not. This was just an original price we used, but we can change that as well just to keep the data in sync for the first column. And if we just save that, you can see that the pricing's changed at the parent level, which will never be used, apart from helping to update variance. And you can see here the price has changed for our variance as well. So if we go into the variant, we can see under the pricing tab the individual line for this variant. It's changed to £12. So in the next video, we're going to have a look at price tiers.